Welcome to this tutorial for Cisco Cybervision. In this tutorial we are going to cover the calculation of licenses being consumed by devices. Latest, by leaving the evaluation period, your center needs to be provided with licenses. The consumption of licenses correlates to the devices in your network recognized by your center, so-called endpoints. For an endpoint to be considered for licensing, it has to be recognized to be in a Purdue level of 0 to 4, or be tagged as software, or a system. In addition, it must have been active recently, referring to the last 60 days. Your Cybervision Center provides you an easy-to-access and easy-to-interpret information on this. You can access it using the reporting extension of your center. Click on Reports in the main menu. Start by clicking on Create and Run a Report. Provide a name for your report. Select the type of report from the drop-down menu. For this tutorial, select the option Device Inventory from the list. You could customize the report by uploading your company logo. In addition, you can select the preferred file type of the report. Click Next. Select a preset from the drop-down menu, in case you want the report to be created for a specific subset of your data. Choose the criteria to be included into the report. Make sure that you do not unselect the option of License Requirement Summary. Click Save and Run. Once you submitted the report creation, the start of the process will be confirmed and you can check its status in the status column. Once completed, click on the report name. You can select any of the links in the drawer to download your report. Once the report is open, forward to the page showing the license requirement summary. This chart visualizes the number of devices recognized by your center and how they are causing licenses to be consumed. You can see that for this installation only 28% of all devices do require a license. Remember that for an endpoint to be considered for licensing, it has to be recognized to be in a Purdue level of 0 to 4, or be tagged as software, or a system. In addition, it must have been active recently, referring to the last 60 days. A so-called burst factor is included into the formula and acts as a buffer. It helps to compensate sudden and temporary overconsumption of licenses, for instance due to network misconfiguration, or a temporary spike in the number of devices. Thank you for watching this tutorial about the calculation of license consumption of devices in your Cybervision Center.